Hello, I'm Orbital and I'm applying for the Bloodlust SMP. One of the main reasons I want to join is because I'm looking for a serious, long-term SMP. Not something where people quit after a week, but a world where players actually build things that last. And that's where I can fit in very well. I can build tons of farms, but what makes me different is how versatile I am with them. I can go from compact and efficient designs to larger scale systems, and I can always make sure they actually look good in the world, not just function. Another reason is that I want to be around skilled players. I like to be in an environment where people are building gigantic structures and making story, like Unstable, instead of just playing casual. I'm really strong with redstone, so I can contribute to that. I don't just copy builds, but I can understand how they work, which lets me fix, improve, and optimize systems. That typically means for me more efficient setup and less stuff. And finally, I want to contribute to the server, not just exist. I like building things that other players can use and improve the overall world. I also have a ton of modding experience, which helps a lot with how I approach the game. It gives me a better understanding of systems, and I'm good at problem solving and improving designs instead of just following tutorials or using schematics. I'd say my best strength overall is how I think. I can always optimize or make things better than they need to. If you're looking for someone who can build, design efficient systems, and actually contribute long-term to a server, I could be a good fit. Thank you for watching.